Welcome back, everybody. What is today? March 31st, and I am following my first pilot vehicle. I didn't want to start the video this way, but this is how we're going to start it. I'm on my favorite little road, the River Road, right outside New Braunfels, and it looks like they're paving, which is kind of cool. But we're just going to have to sit here for a minute, and don't worry about this. We'll talk about this later, once we get moving. But yeah, this video is going to be a video about what you see here. Let's go ahead and move it a bit. We did that. Look at that big old tire. I think there's air in it, or is it just solid rubber? Oh, there's air in it. Put my foot underneath that. I wonder how big it would look. Ronald McDonald foot. A lot of just sitting in the sun today, which is kind of cool because that's why you see this. Oh, he had a bug in his ear. Oh, look how beautiful clear that water is. Oh, I dig it. Beautifully clear and yummy. And this is, dude, this is so picture perfect right through here. Ugh, I love it. And we're gonna let these cars go by because I want to do my own ride. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. I can do that. I can do that. Because if we're in that lane, it's gonna be a head-on collision. So we'll come down here. Oh, that poor guy on that bike. I just turned the Spyder off. That's what I did. And just waited. Here we go. We're gonna turn off right here. And let these cars meander on by. All right, everybody. Mic is tucked in. We are on the River Road, like I said. The face shield's down for now, but I want to pick it up because I'm on 88 air because it's hot. So for all of you that don't know, new to the channel, I have recently moved to southern Texas, San Antonio. Well, San Antonio is hot. I came from Ohio. In Ohio, I had to wear clothes that keep me warm. Down here, I have to wear clothes to keep me cool, and the problem was my phone. It sits out here, it's on a charge. It overheats, it dies, it doesn't cool off. I don't know where I'm going because I use my phone as, whew, you got close to that spike. I use my phone as my GPS. Makes a lot of sense, right? A lot of people do nowadays. You don't have a standalone GPS, you use your phone. So I use my phone. And it overheats, and then I'm broke, and I don't know where I'm going, right? New to Texas. So what you can do is you can keep your phone out, keep it mounted on your Spyder, your motorcycle, whatever, and use it until it's almost dead, and then you can charge it up, you know, to keep it cool, because while you're charging it and it's running, that's where it builds a lot of heat. Oh, I've seen that car. I did not want to do that. I wanted another source that I could go to that can be out here in the weather. My very expensive phone can be somewhere else on the Spyder. I get directions. So you see the brand here. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because it's not going to be right. This is basically a tablet that mirrors your phone. It has Android Auto, it has CarPlay, so depending on what phone you use. I'm an Android Auto person because I have a Droid. You pair your phone to this thing, and then your phone is also paired to your helmet. So the phone is what controls this. I can hit play and I can hear music. I can hit pause, the music goes away. Someone can text me, I can hit read out loud. If I need to do something with that text, I can hit a button and it can be like, sounds good, or oh, I need to pull over and make a telephone call, or I just need to make a telephone call to get this thing straightened out. Not so much a factor today, but back in the day, maybe. It has a big map on it. It's got my music, it's got Waze, it's got everything. Okay, so Can-Am Spyder, you can connect your phone to it, but you can't use Google Maps, you can't use Waze that I know of. I could be wrong, but I don't think you can. I think it's set up with Genius Maps and Rever if you pay for the most expensive Rever app thing. So yeah, that's what I did. I bought this. My thoughts are, yes, it's a big screen. It's out here in the weather. Yes, it's going to be plugged in and charged, but it doesn't have the processor that heats up as much as my cell phone. And with it being a bigger area with vents through it, because on the back it's like an old TV, right? You got those plastic vents. I'm gonna get more air circulation through this thing, and it's not going to overheat as much. So far I like it, right? I can pair it with my phone, sync it with my phone. I can sync it with my helmet. I get turn-by-turn directions. I get everything I need with my phone at the tip of my fingers, and I love their campsite. I love that part about it now, and you're gonna have to excuse me. I'm not the most technical when it comes to this, and my son, when he was down, he helped me pair everything, so it was kind of easy to pair. But every once in a while, if power's disconnected, it drops that communication to my phone to my helmet, so I have to go in and unpair my helmet, pair it back, and then everything's fine again. I don't have to pair, I just have to turn off the Bluetooth to my helmet via my phone and then turn that back on via my phone, and we're good to go. It is not waterproof, so that's another thing, a negative. So we got two negatives right now, right? It is not waterproof, and sometimes we have pairing issues. What a gorgeous river and a gorgeous road. I dig it. I really dig this road. The things I do like it, if you know how to use Apple CarPlay and or Android Auto, like what's in your car, it's right here. The thing seems to be just as quick as what my truck has. I was at the gas station and I said River Road, New Braunfels, and it brought me here, right? So not only am I trying to see if this huge thing works, but also with my phone, it's in the little cubby. How hot is it getting, and what's the charge? I'm gonna be gone for an hour and 15 minutes. I was at 91%, so let's see what happens when I get back where it's at. You know, am I gonna have to charge my phone? And then if I have to charge my phone, is it gonna overheat in there because there's no air circulation? So do I line that with some styrofoam and then I get an ice pack or a gel pack and throw in there? Maybe. Also, if this thing dies, breaks, falls off, you know, I still have my phone, but I won't have the mount. So do I carry the mount with me everywhere I go? You get me right off work. You understand that I'm lucky I can say my own name. I'm lucky I was able to put enough thought together to kind of review this. I'm digging it so far. Hey there, buddy. Yeah, okay. It's fine, you can come in my lane, you waved. Rocky Top Ranch. Oh. I was like, is that a road? No, it's a ranch. Motorcycles. Hey, what's going on there, people? Look how pretty. Slow down, people. Whoa down now. I'm still only in 5th gear. Do I really want to whoa down? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. Oh yeah. And this is the last water crossing. This is water crossing and number 4. You see any fish? Oh, I see a duck. It's a Quackers. I see someone in there in a boat. You see the boat? There's a car. It knew what to do. That's cool. That's cool. People are definitely doing the left of center thing today, huh? Well, I think on that I'm gonna let everybody go. So hopefully you liked the video. If you could, please give me a big old thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Have you ever used this thing to get you where you need to be? Right? Drop a comment below. Do the things that we ask you to do. So on that, I am out. I guess I'll see everybody down the road. Stay safe, everybody. Okay, we got a red light, people, and that means we are recording. See a little blue bike? It's so pretty. As I left the river road, something failed. This phone is hot in here, and it's not being charged. So we're gonna have to find a better place for it. And then let me see. Oh no, now you guys know my code. 73%. So this thing just sitting in there for an hour and a half. Running through that, I went from 91% to 70, whatever I just said. So we're gonna have to come up with another solution, right? What does the temperature in this thing feel like? Oh, there's a shirt. That's cool, that's cool. Not as bad. So maybe it lives in the frunk. Maybe I drill a little hole and I run some power in there. I don't know, we'll see. So that's it. Hopefully you like this. Yeah, see, that's another project which you don't need to worry about. Yeah, you know, it fast.